welcome back to my channel. I might sound a little hoarse. I am under the weather, but I'm gonna get through this review. So I am reviewing the Kasos Foundation and the Kasos powder. I did get both. This cost about $42, I want to say, and this one costed, I want to say, $34 to $37. And the color, I got the color softly, it's like softly sheer tan, and in this one I got the color deep warm 370. So they do have a concealer. I did not pick up the concealer, but I hear good things about this, and I already used it like 3 or 4 times already, but I wanted to get it on camera and I wanted to tell you guys what I thought about it. But this foundation is good for the skin. It's good for, I guess, acne prone skin. It does has SPF in it, SPF 25, so any foundation with SPF in it is good with me. And also it has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, peptides, squalene, provitamin B5, arnica, caffeine, and artemisia flower. Hope I said all that stuff right. And this is what the foundation does. It makes your skin look alive, brighter, hydrated, visibly plumped, smooth, and protected. It is a medium coverage foundation. It improves your skin, and it's supposed to feel like you're not wearing foundation at all. But that sounds good, right? And I'm like, okay, it's good for my skin because I do have acne prone skin. I do have sensitive skin, but that's the reason why I did purchase this powder. The powder is really just a smooth and mineralized powder. It's supposed to be a cloud set, baked setting powder. So with the foundation, I must say I really like this foundation. Does it transfer? Yes, it does. Is it a lot of transfer? Somewhat. But I do like it. It gives you a nice, I want to say, soft matte finish, but then it starts to look like glowy throughout the day, but it's not a bad glowy. It looks really good. It makes your skin look really nice and healthy. With this powder, I feel like it's like an okay powder. It does make your face look smooth, but that's about it. With this powder, I say maybe light to medium coverage. I have mixed feelings about the powder. Would I buy this powder again? Not really, because I feel like there's powders out there that does way more and make you look way like better. But this powder is, to me, is kind of basic, but it does smooth your skin. So yeah, but I really like the foundation. So I'm gonna get into the application. I'm gonna show you guys what it look like. So let's go in. I'm gonna show you guys what this side's looking like right now. And this side. So this is what it's looking like before I put the powder on. See, it looks like really dewy, really glowy. Like, I really like that. Before I even said it, it looks really good. It did give me the medium coverage. I feel like this is a buildable foundation. Like, it looks really, really good. So I really like that. Hey guys, so I just did my highlight with the Danessa Mavericks Cover Cream. You could use this as foundation and a concealer. So I used that, and I also put Born This Way concealer and Cookie on top of it, which really gave me a brighter under eye, because this did, I got the color W04, and it's like a shade lighter than what I am, and I think it just blended into my foundation. So I needed more, you know, so I used this and this, and it looked really good, went on smooth. I set my under eye with Morphe's banana powder. And so now we are going to go into the powder. I'm going to use this powder brush. It is by It Cosmetics, but I had it for so long. I don't even know if they still sell this brush, but so I'm just going to stamp it in wherever I did not set, of course. So this is what it looks like. Let me get a little close. That is what the powder looks like. It did give me a really smooth finish. It looks really good, not shiny, of course, and looks matte. So this is what it looked like. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys what everything looks like out in the natural light. So I'll see you in a minute. This is what it's looking like. I'm outside in my car. You can still see a little bit of my dark spots peeking through, but I'm okay with that. I did set it with the powder, and I think the reason why I really don't like the powder that much is because it don't really give you any kind of coverage. So sometimes you might use a certain foundation and you're like, okay, this is good because when I go in with the powder, it's gonna give me more coverage. But this one doesn't do that for me. So that's why I feel like it's a lightweight powder. It's a lightweight powder, but it's a light coverage powder, if that makes sense. And it really doesn't do nothing for me but smooth my face and take away shine. That's it. Like, it doesn't do anything else. That's probably why I don't like the powder. You guys might like the powder. You might think the powder is great, but it's my opinion and I'm not feeling the powder. So I'll bring you guys a little bit more closer up so you can see. But yeah, saucy. Okay, hey guys, I am back. It is now about 8:25, 8:30, and I put this foundation on like 1 something earlier. So I just wanted to show you guys how dewy, shiny it's looking, but it's not really bad. It's not like, oh my gosh, you are dripping or like you're super oily. Like, it's not bad at all. So it looks like this, and this is an all-day wear. I did not have my mask on today, so you don't see those lines on my face, and I did not blot today either. So I'm gonna just use this so I can show y'all how it's gonna transfer and take some of that shine away a little bit. See, you still get that shine look. So like I said, it's not really like a bad shine or a bad dewy look. It just looks really nice, really healthy, make your skin look nice and hydrated. So like I said, I'm about to go to bed, but for the sake of this video, I am gonna touch up with the powder just to show you guys how it looks touched up. I'm gonna go around here where it looked like some of the makeup was. Oh, I didn't even show you guys what it looked like. Okay, so that's what the napkin had looked like after I had blotted. So this is what it looks like again after I blotted. You can see stuff peeking through. As I was blotting, it looks like some of the makeup came off right here, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. Like I said, I really like the foundation. The foundation is good. Skincare things inside of it that's really good for your skin, so that's a mega plus. Sunscreen, it is about to be summer right now, so that is a high plus. Like I said, the powder, you know, you may like it, you may love it, but me, I'm like on it. So yeah, go and pick it up, try it. Otherwise, yeah, I'm down with this foundation, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye bye.